Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick cartoon drawing of Giannis Antetokounmpo. I think I said his name correctly. If I didn't, please feel free to correct me in the comment section. So the first thing that I want you to draw, I want you to get out your pen, your paper. I want you to draw a shape of Giannis's head. That means, what is his head shaped like? If we pictured it like we can picture it almost like what's the word I'm looking for? A icicle pop. With it has a stem on the bottom and then it has a shape of an icicle pop. That's kind of what we're doing right here. So just follow along. Don't be afraid. Let's have some fun. Okay, that's nice and beautiful there. Let's draw some shoulders here. Give him some nice broad shoulders. He's a big guy. We want to make him nice and wide. Awesome. Now, our hairline. So follow me and draw this shape here. You see how once we draw the hairline, it's going to separate the hair away from the shape. And that's pretty cool. The fun part. Now we get to add the eyes and the ears and the nose and all that good stuff. So for the purpose of this video, I just want you to follow along and mimic the shapes that I am drawing. Feel free to use me as training wheels, if you will, until you get comfortable and the shapes just start to flow from your own imagination and your caricature has your voice in it. Now the nose, be very careful to follow the lines that I've placed down. This is one of the powerful things about his face. He has a very pronounced nose, so we gotta get that in. All right, now the mouth shape. The mouth shape is not difficult to draw. It is just like every other shape. It is one big basic shape first, and then it is cutouts from a basic shape. Let's add some teeth here. Once again, notice my style. Big basic shape first, cut out what I don't need to form the shape. Awesome. Going to add a little bit of hair here on the chin. He plays for the Milwaukee Bucks, I believe, right? I really like this particular NBA player because he's so nice to the children. He's always giving away his shoes. It's a wonder he has any shoes left because he gives away a pair every night. But that says a lot about him. He likes to make others happy, and that's a good thing. All right, now the fun part, or the funner part. I want you to get out your gray Crayola marker, and we're going to add some shadows to our drawing. So yeah, I'm going to teach you how to use shadows in this. This is going to make your drawing super awesome. It's a secret that I'm endowing you with, so you're not allowed to tell anybody about this, okay? Shh! Don't say anything. Okay, so just follow along. placing the shapes kind of where I place them. You don't need a lot. Less is always best. Remember this one thing. The object of caricature is to put this person on paper with as least lines as possible. Even I'm still studying in that area to take out what's not needed to make it look like them. Now, the last part of our drawing, which we're doing here, is the darks. The darks separate the light from the dark. That's what makes your picture pop, makes it stand out. We're going to do a couple of videos on color, and I'm going to show you that this same technique applies whether you're using black and white or whether you're using color. If you learn how to play the light against the dark, the drawings are definitely going to advance quickly. Okay. Now we're going to do a little bit of finishing touches. So if you were using a Crayola, the reason I like to switch over and use or incorporate a Sharpie is because the pigment of the Sharpie is going to be darker than the pigment or the ink coming out of the Crayola marker. So I use that to my advantage. I saw that was one of the weaknesses of the Crayola, is that it doesn't have that really penetrating dark. So I like to have that in my drawing. Okay guys, so we are finished up here. I hope your drawing came out pretty cool. I want to take this time to thank you for spending your time with me, because you didn't have to spend time with me today. And that, my friend, was pretty awesome. I want to thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to share this video with other fellow artists, but only if they're fellow artists. You can't just be sharing with anybody. And we're going to be posting more videos and tutorials soon. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you want me to make a video and draw your favorite celebrity, your favorite actor, hey, leave a comment in the comment box below. We'll put you on a request list and get you taken care of. Also guys, we do have a live stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at 3:30, and on Saturday at 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, if you'd like to join us. So guys, have a blessed and wonderful day, and we'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.